So I do try this out whenever I want to make a very quick head wrap. Join me and learn this as well. So I'm going to make some fold in as in this video and make pleats with heat. You can see how it is being done. After the pleat is being made, I need an elastic band to grab it so that it will be firm and be able to stand on its own. After that, I'll place it straight down on my head as in this video, and I will adjust the side. After adjusting the size, I'll direct every part of it to the back, and I need an elastic band to wrap it as well. So I'm going to dip the excess into the band and pull it out. The essence of this is just to secure it and make it firm. So after doing that, I'm going to direct the excess towards the side. It could be to the right or to the left depending on how you want it. So I'm going to direct mine to this side and I'll make a twist all through with the excess. After making the twist as seen in this video, I'm going to direct it towards the back. So here I'm trying to figure out where to place it, but finally I place it inside the remaining elastic band used for the other one at the back. Take note. So after dipping it at the back, I'm going to pull the excess out. Then it is time for me to stretch it out, then come forward to make the earlier pleated parts. Stretch it out and let it go to the back, both angles, and I need an office pin to secure that the both edges together. Okay, but before doing that, you can see I made an adjustment before taking it with an office pin at the back. Then after taking it with an office pin, it's now time for me to adjust it. I just feel like let me fold a bit like this to make a design or so. So after that, I'm going to come for the top one and stretch it sideways like this and use another office pin. What I do here, I'll repeat to the other side by securing with an office pin down. So once I'm done like that, I think it is now time for me to just give some touch and arrange it properly and make sure it looks good. Okay, so that is just the very simple one I used to try out. I don't know if you like it, you want to add it to what you do as one of the fastest head wrap you have. Okay, so here is it, and let me show you another way you can do it in case you don't really like this, you want to make everything a round shape. So let's do this in a bit. I remove that one side and I place it on the other here and use an office pin, so it's forming like a round shape, and I love this as well. You can try any of this out. They are all nice, guys. Stop wasting your time in the name of I'm tying my head wrap. These are simple. Join us to learn more simple head wrap. Okay, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy yourself. Bye.